Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Moneybag Sale, get like selling a building, man. I'm sorry for being gone for so long. I'm already knowing how y'all feel about that, man. But I know y'all don't want to hear me apologize, so let's go ahead and get into the video. And before we get into the video, I just wanted to say that if you guys do want an easier way of playing the game, I suggest that you guys do get a backbone. They're around $80 to $100 at your local GameStop, or you can order them online anywhere. But they actually do help. They're easier to find the controls that you really do need for the successful gameplay whenever you're not at home to play. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is actually go onto the App Store and search up Remote Play or PS4 Remote, anything that you see pop up. And once you see it, you do want to go ahead and click on it. Alright, so what you're going to want to do from there is go on to your PlayStation and log in and do whatever you have to do. And once you're on the main menu, go over to the settings. Once you are on the settings, go down to System. And once you're on that, you need to go down to Remote Play and make sure that you turn that on and that it is enabled. A lot of people are saying that they are having problems with this working, or sometimes it's just not working at all. And a lot of the times it is because they are game sharing, or they just don't have their account as primary set. And so what you're going to want to do from that is you're going to want to go on to Users and Accounts. You're going to want to scroll down to Other, and you're going to click on Console Sharing and Offline Play. Once you click on this, it's going to ask you if you want to disable or don't disable, basically. And what you're going to hit is don't disable. And once you do that, you're going to want to actually go back to the system screen, go down to your Remote Play option, and you should be able to click it from there. Okay, so from there, you're going to want to go back to the PS4 app. You're going to want to have a controller with you. Now, these do work the same as the PS4 controllers when it comes to Bluetooth, so don't be worried whenever you see this, but it is going to work the exact same way, so I will go ahead and show you guys that now. But you're going to want to hit the PS4 or the PS5, whichever one, and you're going to click OK. If you want to read that, you go ahead and pause the video, but if not, okay, so it should transfer over to that, and it should send you like a little message to your PlayStation. Okay, so from there, what you're gonna want to do is go to your Bluetooth, and then you're gonna want to allow new connections. And with the controller in your hand, you're gonna want to hold down the share button, and you're gonna want to hold down the PlayStation button, and it should start flashing. Yeah, it should start flashing. Once it starts flashing, you should see it pop up right down there, and go ahead and click it and connect. From there, go back to the app. Go ahead and go back to the app, and you should be able to use it from there. Now, go ahead, guys, and play around with it and make sure everything is working. And maybe download some games, or even try out some games that you got right now. But, if you do notice and you're sitting right next to your TV, it is actually still going to connect. So if you got a friend over or something like that, you can go ahead and watch as well. If you guys really did enjoy the video, make sure you guys leave a like, a sub, maybe even a comment just telling me how your day was, or maybe your favorite color. But I hope you guys really did enjoy the video. I do really appreciate every single one of you guys for watching this, and yeah, peace.